Welcome teachers. Here we show you how to use the e-content which is delivered with your books. So when you open the e-content from this folder for a particular class, it opens like this. This is how the pages are flipped. And these are the tools given below which will help you in interacting with this application. Like we click on the first tool, the index page. As we click on it, we go to the contents page, and here I can click on any lesson name to jump to that particular lesson. Like here we come to this lesson 11. I go back to the index, and this way we can jump to any lesson. Now this notes tool, I can add my own notes to any topic, maybe additional questions or any additional information. So this box comes like this. You can type your information in the box, maybe some question or some important point, so that you remember it to open it and use it when you are coming to this topic, when you are discussing this topic in the classroom. And this gets saved with the application. You can close it and you can place it anywhere conveniently you like this. You can anytime change it also, and it can also be deleted. If you don't need it, then it can be deleted also by clicking on this delete button. This is done. Then the next tool is this focus light. Clicking on this and you drag slightly, and this way you can bring focus on a particular part of the page or on any topic you are discussing. Click again on it and you come out of this mode. Then the other tools are like this highlighter is there. Clicking on this and you can select some part on the page and that gets highlighted. So this is useful for discussions in the classroom. And if you don't want highlighter, you can even mark the parts of the text on the page by the help of pencil like this. You click on pencil tool and then freehand you can draw pencil marks like this. You can zoom into the page by using the zoom in tool or zoom out of the page as suits you, as it is convenient for you. And for pencil markers, you can change the color also. As you change the color, it will draw in a different color like shown here. And if you want to clean all this, you just simply click on this delete button and all the marks on the page will go away. So this is how these tools are used simply. To jump to a particular page, this control is also given. You mention the page number, click on go to page and you jump to that particular page. See how simple it is. So this way quickly you can move to any part of the book like this. Now the topics, animation, you can click on a particular topic, this play button, and animation runs like this. You can click on the play button like this.
Activity 1.
And animation
Zooming
plays
in
like this.
and out. Tools used. Zoom tool. To focus on a particular region of an image, you can zoom into the image, and once your task is done, you can zoom out of it.
So this way you can play the animations related to the topic. Similarly, the exercises, you click here and the interactive
Choose the correct
exercise will
answer.
come up on the screen.
Wrong answer.
You can,
Wrong answer.
You can interact with the exercise
Right
like this.
answer. Wrong answer. Right answer.
Well done.
And this way, this entire application can be used. You can invoke Notepad application also from here, this button. In case you need Notepad for making short notes. And after using this application, you can simply, these are the tools and this is the index to come out of. You can simply click on this exit button and you come out of the application. Thank you.